everyone, welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday, and I'm coming on to share with you a bag that I got from a company called anyfashions.ru, and I have an Alma BB bag. I'm so excited to share this with you, so let's get right into the unboxing. This is the box it came in, and you open the box, and this is what's inside. So let's take it out the dust bag, which comes with a nice dust out Louis Vuitton on the front. And here's how it looks inside. And there is more packaging. So let's take off some of this packaging. And here's the bag here. So let's see what's inside. Okay, here's the strap. And lots more stuff. So I'm gonna clean up the bag and come back and show you how it looks. Okay, here's everything that came in the packaging. Okay, we have the strap. We have this here. I forgot what this is called, but it's there. And then we have the lock and the keys. And we have our bag. Okay, like I don't remember what this is called, but I know you put it together and it will hold the key that comes with the lock. You can have it at the front of your bag. We'll do that after. And then here is the keys and the lock. And the lock has the Louis Vuitton logo on the front and some writing on the back. Nice gold hardware, shiny and nice. Now the locks is to place on top here for in case you'd like to lock your bag. And we have our strap here for the bag, which comes with nice gold hardware on it also, again with the Louis Vuitton stuff. But the strap is not adjustable. It's a long strap, but it's not adjustable. As you can see here, it's a good length. And of course, we have the star of the show, our Alma BB. And here's how she looks at the front. And here she is from the side. And here she is at the back. And the bottom, she has the legs on the bottom. And she has the gold hardware. And she has the checkered print. I like the checkered print. And like I said, she has the gold hardware. Now the zipper that she comes with, there's a zipper on each side. So you could pull it down from side to side. Or you could go one straight zip right across the bag. It's up to you which way you'd like to use it. And inside now, she has lots of space. And she's red inside. I love that. And you get one pocket inside. Doesn't that look nice with the red inside? And she comes with the hook for you to hook the straps on. One on each side. And it hooks on very easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It just snaps right on. And the same with the other side. Just snap it on. And there you go. See, it hooks very nice from that side and from this side. And like I said, it's a long strap. I am 5'3" and it drops below my waist. It's very nice. So next I'm going to show you what fits inside the Alma BB. Alright everyone, here is the bag, and I added, like, I still don't know what this is called. Tell me down below if you know. But I added that on. And then I put the lock right here. I'm not really going to use it, but I'm just going to, as a lock, I'm just going to use it as a piece of decor onto the bag. Doesn't it look nice? Oh, I love how it looks. I love this bag. It's another winter bag for me. I love it. I love the color and everything. So we're just going to open it up. And as you can see, there's nothing in there right now. So I'm just going to share with you what I am going to carry in this bag. Okay, so I have my mini pochette here. And let me show you what I have inside. Okay, here's how it looks inside. So first of all, I have my earphones, yes. And I have the regular ones with the string. I have AirPods that my daughter got me, but I only use those if I'm inside. I'm scared of losing them. So this one goes with me everywhere. And I got this little pouch here I got from the dollar store for it to be in. And of course, I always have some Kleenex. Yes, your girl's nose with the oxygen, so I always have Kleenex. And then I carry these little pouches of wipes for my glasses to clean them off whenever they get smeared. And I have my little lotion bottle. I don't carry around perfume lotions and stuff. With my breathing, I can't do that. And I have my Nivea lip gloss. Or, it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip, I don't know what you call it, but it's a lip treatment. Anyways, that's going in my bag. See, that fits in and there's more room. Can you see that? Okay, and next I have my wallet. I have to walk with my wallet everywhere I go. And it's a nice size wallet. So I have this, and I'll be placing this in here. There we go, still more room. Hope you guys can see that good. And next I have my little notebook here. Nice little notebook. And I have the pen on the side. I got this notebook off of Amazon. And I carry it with me. So I'm just going to place that into the bag. And now I have my little sanitizer. Always walk with my sanitizer. So I can wash my hands after I touch anything. So that goes there. And this is how it looks inside. And I don't know if you can see, but there's lots of room still left in there. And I didn't put anything into this little pouch. And right here, there's lots of room for something else. See, it's spacious and lots of room. But that's all your girl's carrying today in her bag. I don't need anything else. So I'm just showing you that. So you see, it holds a lot. And then now I am just gonna zipper it up. Like I said, you could zipper it all the way to one side if you like. But I like the zipper being in the center. So I'm just gonna zipper both sides and have it stop in the center. That's how I like it. And I love using the top handle. OMG, doesn't that look nice? And I love the shape of this bag. I think it's so super cute. And it's a nice color for the fall. So it's my second fall bag. I love it. I will leave the link below to anyfashions.ru so you guys can go over and check them out. And I have a coupon code down there for you guys, so you can get a little bit off if you decide to buy something. And they have lots of nice things on their site for you to choose from. Alright everyone, I'd like to thank you for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you for this Freestyle Wednesday. And remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.